Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. If today's your first time to the channel and you're interested in stuff like this, drum covers, drum reactions, lessons, and more like that, make sure to hit subscribe now. And don't forget to hit that bell notification and make sure that it says get all notifications. Alright? So, today we got another reaction video. Thank you guys for all your input in the comments on almost every reaction video I've done. Letting me know about Lacy Camera once again blowing up on social media, just killing on drums. For those of you that didn't get the notification a while back, I actually reacted to Lacy. He did a shed between him and Josiah Maddox. I'll leave it right up here, so click right there, pause the video, click right there, check that video out, and then come back to this one. Alright? Big shout out to Benny Rich for putting this video up. Make sure to go down to his link and subscribe to his channel. So the title of this video is Lacy Camera, Open the Floodgates. Alright, here we go. Let go. I got nothing to say on that right there. See, got the aquarium head. I like that little lick he's doing in that groove. That right there on the right. Woo! Going off in there. Whew. Letting them cymbals sing. Hey. I love how they just standing there right by him. Go up. Quick in and out. Hit that lead, y'all. Woo! Subdivide, man. Oh, baby Gibson. Woo! Woo! Way to end that, man. That was crazy. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. That was crazy. Thank you guys for sending that video out, man. Huge shout out to Lacy. You killed that, man. You killed that. Make sure to go follow Lacy on Instagram. He's actually almost at 10K followers. So hit that link down in the description below. Follow him on Instagram. Get him to 10K. And man, I'm out. I gotta go practice again. So let me shut this video down. I'm out of here. Alright, see you guys next time.